Welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you guys this setup. It's called SRR or RSS. So SRR or RSS. This S stands for support, resistance, and this stands for resistance, then support. So that's the meaning of it. I will teach you guys on how to use this strategy. It's a very good, strong strategy. So let's start. You can trade with this stand alone, but make sure that wherever you are trading it, there must be a support on that level or a resistance on that level. So this is how you can use this. Let me demonstrate it here first. Then before we can go to the chart, I will show you guys. So you will see something like this. Market might do something like this. And keep coming and keep coming and keep coming and keep coming and keep coming, and then you might see it range this way, then take off and take out this high and this high, then come back to this zone, then take off. So this is the first resistance and this is second resistance. So this is the S here, this is the support, this is the first R, and this is second R. And you can see that market took out this first R and take out this second R, resistance, break. Then if market come back to this support, here will be your entry point. You buy from here. This is how this strategy works. So support, resistance, you have to wait for market to take out two resistance first, then coming back to this support, you take a trade from here, take a buy. So the same thing for sell. It's going to be this way for sell. Okay, if I can flip this chart, okay, it's going to be this way for sell. No need of flipping the chart this way. Keep going up and keep going up. We are uptrend, and the market, you might see it range and drop, then come back, drop. Then you can see that this is the high here, then coming back and taking out this particular level and taking out this, even take out several support levels. Then this is the resistance. This is the R zone, and this is the S, and this is the second S. The market came back to this resistance. Here will be your entry point for sell. So this is how it works. So let's go to the chart and I will explain you guys. And if you are new in forex trading, if you are looking for a broker to trade, I use SNS broker. The broker is good, so their link is below. Click on their link and sign up with them if you are new in forex and you don't have broker you are using yet, or if the one you are using is not okay for you, just sign up the SNS broker. That's what I'm using. They are good. So let's look into the chart. So this is I took this buy this currently. Today is Saturday. I took this buy, I think it was on Thursday. You can see the RSS here. This is the first. You can see that market took out this. You can see that this is the low here. This market broke this low, which this is the low, and this is the first resistance, and this is second resistance. Market took it out, come back to this zone, which is the support. So this is the S here, and this is the R, and this is the second R, market came back, you buy here, you make your money. And this is another example here. This is the current setup that is on now, that on Monday I will take this trade. Definitely I will take this sell on Monday. So this is, it can mark, this is the zone, took out this resistance, also took out this, so this area now, you can see that there is support here. Sorry, there is resistance here. There is this. At least you can see this is a zone on its own. Head and shoulder. There is a head and shoulder here. This is shoulder. This is head. This is shoulder, and it broke all the neckline. It's coming back to this zone. So this will be your resistance. This will be your S, which support, and somewhere here will be your R, resistance. So this market already broke all these support levels. Now it's coming back to this resistance and it will drop. So this level, this resistance now, this zone will be my entry point for sell. I will sell this gold if you get into this zone on Monday. Then my stop loss will be here, above here, but I'm not going to close immediately. Say, or for instance, if this market keep moving and get to here, I'm not going to close. I must wait. If 1 hour candle break here with the body and close, then the setup is no longer valid, because you know that this market maker, I don't know what to call them, they can sometimes try to fake out or take out people's stop loss and do fake breakout. So there is possibility that this trade might buy and take out this high, even including this with the shadow, and retest back. It's possible. So if this market come to this zone and take out all this level with shadow, I'm not going to close. I will only close my trade if it break this zone with the body on this 1 hour time frame. That's when I will see that this setup is no longer valid. That's only when the setup will not be valid again. But this zone is the selling point. You can see different setup here. There is head and shoulder coming back. It's a confirmation to sell. And if you are drawing trend line, there's a trend line here. Also this zone. So there is a lot of zone here to take this trade for a sell. So it's a sure setup that I must take. Then whatever wants to happen, let it happen. I know that obviously this gold is an uptrend, yeah, because if you look daily time frame, you can see that it's in pure uptrend, and weekly is an uptrend. 4 hours just did change of character. Yes, 4 hours did change of character. Here you can see that it took this, it broke this and this support here, so support have turned to resistance, and there is also a kind of head and shoulder on this 4 hours again, because we can use it as shoulder and head and shoulder, and it's coming back. So 4 hours is also confirming a downtrend right now. So what is in totally uptrend now is daily and weekly and monthly. But 4 hours have done change of character for sale. So it's another confirmation that this gold might continue selling from on Monday. But nobody knows, because nobody can really predict what will happen 100% on this forex trading. But on Monday, the setup I'm looking at now is a sell. So this is the zone. So if you want to trade, watch out this zone, guys. So let's do another example. So this is the current one, and this is the one that already happened, and this is another setup here for sell. You can see that this is the high, and market took out this resistance here and also took out this resistance here. So this is the R resistance, sorry, support, I said resistance. So R, and market took out this support and took out this support, then come back to this zone here, and you can see that it dropped. So this is another setup here. Definitely it's a buy setup. We can see that this is the low, market broke it, the particular candle. Let me reduce this. Okay, it's on 8 already. Let me use this. So you can see the market broke this resistance, as in this, what is it called? This support here, they make lower low, then coming back, you can see that I take out this resistance and took out this resistance. Then this is your coming back, this is your support level, and this is the S support, this is the R, then coming back to this one, you are buying here, and got what happened, it went up. So it's a pure win here as well. So if you can backtest this, you will see how good this setup is. It's something that you can still use as standalone without even adding more setup to it or more confluences to it. You can still use this alone. Just know where the trend is. First, you have to know where the trend is, then just follow the trend up. I don't want this video to be that long. I don't want to keep going back and doing more examples. No. So just, you can backtest it by yourself. Go back and see how it's working. You see that I didn't just start picking where to backtest. I showed the current something that is going to happen here. I showed you what happened here, and I also showed you what happened somewhere again here and somewhere here. I didn't just start selecting a place. So if I keep going, you will see that it keep working. It's not that I'm just selecting. So, but just look into it if it's something that you want to use. So that is it, guys. Subscribe to my channel and like this video.